Unity AR Foundation fundamentally provides layer of abstraction to AR Core and AR Kit. The framework supports devices running Android 7.0 or later and iOS 11.0 or later. AR Foundation generally supports features provided in AR Core and AR Kit. The framework provides additional support by allowing developers to access the native AR Core and AR Kit features directly via their respective Unity packages. So, AR Foundation is a great solution for incorporating AR features shared by both AR Core and AR Kit by also targeting the features specific to the platform to the framework. So basically, if you are developing a AR Android project and want to test on Android devices, we will be using a AR Foundation with AR Core plugin. And if you want to test on iOS, we will be also installing a AR Kit plugin. But for this course, we will be testing on AR supported Android device. Here you can see a list of features supported on platforms. If we talk about AR Core supported devices, what does it mean for a device to be supported? In short, it means it has passed the Google certification process. Certification is important because Google wants users to have a good experience with your AR application. This is primarily related to the sensitive motion tracking, which is done by combining the camera image and motion sensor inputs to determine how user device move through the real world. To certify each device, Google check the quality of camera, motion sensor, and design architecture to ensure it perform as expected. Also, the device need to have a powerful enough CPU that integrate with the hardware design to ensure good performance and effective real-time calculations. Here is the list of Android supported devices for augmented reality. All devices support OpenGL ES 3.0. The majority of devices supporting OpenGL ES 3.2 as well. If your device is not in the list, it's still possible your device is supporting a AR functionality. Maybe not as good if we compare to the devices in this list because it have a AR features but does not meet the Google standards to qualify in this list. In China, devices do not ship with the Google Play Store. The Android device listed the support AR Core via Google Play service for AR, which is available as a separate downloadable service from these app stores. And this is the list of devices sold in China region. AR Core provides SDK for many of the most popular development environments. These SDKs provide native APIs for all of the essential AR features like motion tracking, environment understanding, and light estimation. With these capabilities, you can build entirely a new AR experience or enhance existing apps with AR features. I will also be attaching a link to the Google and Apple websites to see the supported devices list in detail. To know is your device support AR. I have attached the augmented reality Android build with this lecture. You can download it and test it. If it's working as per this video, thanks for watching and I see you in the next lecture.